Welcome to another video by Team Outcome. In this particular video, we will be discussing a question that is from the chapter Gravitation, especially associated with the concept called orbital velocity. Orbital velocity is the velocity at which a satellite is orbiting around the planet or especially around the Earth. So that is called its orbital velocity. Hope the video would be useful. If you need any clarification, do let us know in the comment section. So the question is, two satellites A and B go around a planet P in a circular orbit having radius 4 and r respectively. If the speed of the satellite A is 3v, what is the speed of the satellite B? So if you want to calculate what is the velocity at which satellite is orbiting, so the orbital velocity or the orbital speed of the satellite, that can be given by the square root of gm upon r. R is the, what I can say, radius at which, or the radius at which it is getting orbiting. What is the radius of the orbit? M is the M is basically mass of the M is nothing but the mass of the planet. So okay, whatever the mass of the planet you are taking, that is called the mass of the planet. If it is Earth, that will become the mass of the Earth. So here it is a first condition. It is orbiting with a radius of 4r, having an orbital velocity of 3v. So the orbital wave speed 3v is equal to square root of gm upon 4r. Square root of gm upon 4r. Similarly, what is the velocity of the satellite B? So we don't know. So we can write it as vb is equal to square root of gm divided by what is its radius of the second satellite? That is a capital letter R. So we can take it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. If you divide equation number 1 by equation number 2, we can write it as 3v upon vb is equal to square root of gm upon 4r divided by square root of gm upon r. Since it is division, we can do reciprocal. Since it is division, you can do reciprocal multiplication. That is gm upon 4r into the reciprocal is square root of r upon gm. Square root of r upon gm. We can write it together. So it will become the square root of gm upon 4r into r upon gm. R upon gm. Gm and gm will cancel. R and r will cancel. So what will you get? 1 by square root of 1 by 4. So what you will get? We get 3v divided by vb, that is equal to square root of 1 upon 4. That is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 3v upon vb. That means vb is equal to 2 into 3v. 2 into 3v, which become nothing but equal to 6v. So what is the velocity at which the second satellite will be orbiting? Satellite B will be orbiting with a velocity of 6v. Hope the video is useful. If you need any clarification, do let us know in the comment section. As a token of gratitude, please like to this particular video, hype to this particular video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.